Hello everyone, hope y'all are having a great day. It's a beautiful day in Texas today. We're about 5-mile-an-hour wind, about 72 degrees. You couldn't ask for it to be any better. So I hope y'all are having a good time. Today we just got a small project. We built a little fence over here beside the house to put our nannies a little closer that have small babies. Today we're going to put a latch on it. Let me show you this latch. We're going to unbox this thing. It says two-way gate latch. It goes to a wooden post, and then it also goes to a metal gate. So we're going to try to install this thing, so y'all going to have to help me out. And of course, behind us we have goats. I hope you have goats. They're a lot of fun. Well, let's get started. First we're going to unbox this thing and see what kind of tools we're going to need. Just got a little plastic cover here, which is easy to get into. See what kind of parts and pieces we got in here. Oh, instructions. We don't need those. Alright. That's pretty self-explanatory. It don't have any bolts in it. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to go find some bolts. So we got bolts for that, but no bolts for that. Okay. Well, maybe we can get part of it. We may have to go get some bolts or something for that. This goes around the post. Let's see how this thing's going to go. Just like that. Yeah, we just got to figure out how high we want to put it. Maybe put it up about like that. Down there is probably a little better. And when we put that fence up, we were trying to plant it where the post and the gate would have enough space between them when we put it up. As you can see, we got goat help. So we're going to have to open the gate, let the goats out, fix the gate, and then we'll put them back in. Alright? Well, we got this thing all boxed. And of course, they don't tell you it doesn't come with the bolts that you need to put this on the post. So I usually like to put these kind of bolts in, but this gate is not that heavy and my posts are not that big. So we're just going to put some screws in it with some washers. If that don't work, the next time we go to town, we'll get something a little different. But I think that's going to work for us today. Now we're going to try to position this and figure out about how we want to mount this. I'd like to get it in arm's reach. I don't want to have to bend over to do this. So that can go somewhere right in there. And that needs to go just right in there somewhere. So we're going to mark that. We're going to put that about right there. And we're going to try it and see what it does. Of course, we got to open the gate. And we've got two goats in there. But we don't want them in the way anyway. Oh, they heard me open it. Of course. Now, I use an impact gun for a screwdriver. It seems to drive them in a whole lot faster. And we're going to see how this thing is going to set. It's going to set something about like that. You ever feel like you need another hand? Get it in the hole here. Of course, we got a goat that's going to come over and help. Oh, you want out? Okay, go on out. Take a baby with you. Take another baby with you. See, that's almost perfect. Just tighten it up a little bit. turn the air gun up. There we go. There we go. We got a lot more gumption in it now. There we go. Let's see how that looks. Oh, we're a little high. Okay. So we're going to take those 2 screws out and raise it up just a hair. Because that can't go down any lower because it's got this latch here. The main thing is I wanted to get it the height that I don't have to bend over to reach to get it. So let's take those screws out and we're going to lower it down. Okay. I said lower it down, I mean raise it up. Yeah, we need to go up just about 1/4 of an inch. Okay. Let's set it up there and see. That's where we had it. Right there. Okay. Let's see how good my eyeball is. You see about right there. Can't hold 2 screws at once. Let's just do one. Make sure the screwdriver is going the right direction. It always helps. Okay, got that one in. Let's see how we line up now. Oh, that's perfect. Let's put another screw in it and see how it does. Okay. Oh, got that one tight. That's just what we want. See, let's put 2 more screws in this thing and see how it does. Okay. I don't think we have to put it as tight as that one is where it mushroomed it out. Alright. That's on there pretty solid. Alright, let's tighten this one up. It ain't going nowhere. Alright, that's what we wanted. Now we just gotta get the chain off of it. Latch it either way. Just a little bit there on the top, but you know how to adjust that? You just kind of lean on the gate. There you go. There you go. That'll work. I think we got that on there pretty good. We'll take this chain link off. That will just tie it up across here like that, out of the way in case we need to use it. But those latches sure are nice to use. So I appreciate y'all coming out and helping me put this together today. I know it's a small project, but it's a project. We put this fence up about a week ago to keep our newborns in the backyard, and it's worked out real good. I don't have to worry about them wandering off out here in the front because the front's not fenced off. It's not goat proofed yet out here. But again, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I hope y'all are learning a little bit, and You noticed I didn't read the instructions. All right. Y'all take care.